Do you want to sign up for a clinical study but don't know what to expect? Clinvest Research wants to make the clinical study process as simple as possible for everyone. Here's what you can expect from participating in a study at Clinvest Research. Let's start at the beginning. What does Clinvest Research do? Through clinical studies, physicians discover new and improved ways to prevent, detect, diagnose, control, and treat illnesses. Clinvest partners with pharmaceutical companies, providing data that will help discover new treatments for today's diseases. Every study we perform moves us closer to a cure for many debilitating conditions. If you're interested in participating in a Clinvest study, the first step is filling out a contact form. You can inquire about a specific study that you're interested in, or you can fill out a general contact form and we'll find a study that's a fit for you. You can also call our office during business hours. After filling out the contact form, a member of our medical staff will call you with questions about your medical history, any medications you're on, as well as answer any questions you may have about participating in a study. This call will help us decide if you're a good fit for one of our current studies, and if so, we will go ahead and schedule your first appointment at a time that's most convenient for you. During your initial visit, we may record your height, weight, temperature, and blood pressure. In addition, we will thoroughly explain potential risks and benefits involved with this study. You will be given the opportunity to review and sign an informed consent form. You'll meet your study doctor and discuss any questions or concerns you may still have about being a participant. We may also need to take additional samples and conduct other diagnostic tests. All participant responsibilities will be outlined and will vary from study to study. For example, one study may require participants to complete a log or a diary and make many follow-up visits over a long period of time. Another study may require only one application of the study drug and one follow-up visit. Many studies offer compensation for your time and travel. If your study offers compensation, you will receive a check for each visit. Keep in mind the amount of compensation varies from study to study. What does it mean to be enrolled? If you've met the qualifications and signed the informed consent, you are then enrolled in the study. While participating, you will be given or administered the investigational medication or device and instructions. During this time, we will continue to track and follow your progress. You can reach out to us at any time during the study. If at any point you no longer wish to participate, you can withdraw by communicating with your research staff. Depending on the trial, you may need to schedule appointments for a series of follow-up visits at Clinvest. Follow-up visits may include a brief physical exam and review of medical changes you may have experienced during the study. You will have an opportunity at every visit to discuss questions or concerns. Once you've completed your study, you'll have a final visit where you can give an overview of your experience with the medication over the course of the trial. It is at this visit you can inquire about when the results of the study will be made available. Study results may be made public several months or sometimes years after the time of your participation. By volunteering in a study, you are helping to further the understanding of diseases and aid in the development of new therapeutic options. Volunteers are a critical link in a long chain of research and testing for the advancement of new medical treatments and medical devices. So we thank you for your interest in participating in a Clinvest study.